Hi guys, we're at the beach and I'm about to swim, but before I swim, I'll just go pee.
You did that go pee a while ago. Before we come here. Oh, daming campers, oh. 1, 2,
And I
3.
want to swim really
How
fast.
about Giro? Up ang Giro na yan.
Because of Daddy, he just saying the word out loud like that.
We're here like that.
Yeah, then
Oh, look at the
I
puppy.
wake up.
And there's a puppy.
I don't want to get near him.
That's okay.
No way, no way, no way, no way, no way.
Let's go swim later.
Oh, I want to hug you. Wild, wild, wild.
Giro. No. Here na, here. Happy.
But to help the wind,
Giro. Ba. Look at ate, oh. Look at ate. You will fall. Let's go there first. Let's eat first before we go swim. Eat first before we go swim. Let's go swim. May mo naman yung floaty mo. Ate swimming. Man! 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 Laki na dyan. Come here na! Shh! Giro, come on! Bye-bye! Bye! Come on na! Ne? Ate is swimming na. Come on! Come on na ah! Ate swimming! Come on! Giro, here! Where's ate? Where's ate? Wow! Oh, wear your hat, wear your hat. Even if it gets wet, it's okay.
Thank you, Ali.
Smile! Smile! Giro! Ate! Ate!
No, I want Tara.
Ay, hold Ading first and then take a photo. No, just stay there with Ading and take a photo. Hold Ading ah. Go near Ading. Smile! Smile! Hold Ading. Giro! Wow! Swim! Swim, swim, swim. Swim!
Mama.
Go! Swim, swim! Swim, ate!
何やこれもうすぐか歩いて
Why you're not moving? Why you're not moving? Move! Why you're not moving? Can you go on the, no? You're not moving. Ading's not moving too. I think he's dizzy. Don't like? Come on. Come on, sit down then and play with water. Play with the water. Come on, sit down. There. Just let him, anak ko. Just let him. Don't taste the water. He's tasting the water. That's salty. Don't open your eyes on the water, anak ko. It's gonna be owie. You don't have goggles. Come on. Tira.
So how could Daddy do it?
Go to ate, you want? Here's ate. Ew, Yana, your saliva. Jira. Jira's done swimming. Let's eat, Nanako. You remove your shirt first. Change into this one. Eh.
Mommy, what about the sun here?
What? It's okay. You're gonna wear this again later when you wanna go swimming. Onigiri, and we have inihaw. We have inihaw. What's that? Imo. Sweet potatoes. Wear this first, so you can eat. You'll get.
What about my pants?
No, it's okay na.
But it's wet.
It's okay.
So wet.
So that you're not gonna get cold.
I need
Come on, change. May bisita kami. O, Jiro. Okay na yung kamote. Jiro. Tukulom. Nagerit na ah. Eat. Yummy.
Nakasuot niya nun?
Hampay. Ito lang bado na.
just find shells at the beach.
It's too hot later, anak ko. Later pa. Later.
Okay, I'll just find stuff. I was looking at it. I don't know.
Uy, Jiro. There. Ate Yana and Ate Kimi. Low tide na. Nakaswimming pa kami kanina. Maraming tao din. Swimming pa. Babat siya, nasunog na. Isa tulog. Sunog din yung mukha niya, no? Laro niya si Ate Kimi. Sino? Alas 6 na. Nililiko pa sila Yana. Ate Kimi at Ate Janine. Mm. Dun. Mm. Yan, nababad na. Daming bagets. Uwian time. Is that warm? No, Jiro.
Hindi na kaya natin.
Madina, nagkaman na ko. Ko na.
Ate, look. Come here, ate. Come here. Ano ba yan? Look ka.
Makati yan.
Hindi makati. You get it.
No!
Can you look for me, please?
No, 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 no!
Sikip niya.
Going home. Low tide. Why? Look at the bridge.
What's glowing? What's glowing?
Because it's night time. They turn on the light.
Oh, there you go.